and welcome back to my channel. Hello if you are new, and if you are new, my name is Ashlyn. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 super cute, easy, heatless hairstyles that you can wear when you go back to school. I did this video last year and y'all seem to like it a lot, so I just thought I'd do it again because it was so much fun. So I will put that video right up here so you can go watch that as well, and that will give you some ideas too, because these are completely different hairstyles than those. Okay, so without further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, this first hairstyle is personally one of my favorites. It's how to get an extended ponytail and just make your ponytail look longer without having a fake pony in. You're going to start by splitting your hair into a half up, half down look. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and tie that top ponytail just like I did here. I do it in the middle of my head, but it's totally up to you and what your preference is. You can do higher or lower. Okay, so now we are going to create the same ponytail, but right underneath that top one. So typically you want that top ponytail to be thicker and have more hair in it than that bottom one. And just like what I did right here, you just flip that top ponytail over that bottom one and boom, you have extensions without having extensions. Okay, this is the before if I didn't have that bottom ponytail, and this is when I add it. Look how much length we got there. We got like an extra 2 inches. Okay, and now onto this next hairstyle. You are going to want to part your hair just straight down the middle. And then you're going to start by sectioning off your money pieces. So this is pretty easy for me because I already have highlights where mine are. So it's easy for me to pinpoint those. But just grab whatever you can, even if it's small little pieces that are in front. Now, since we are only using a small amount of hair, I have a tiny little elastic right here, as you can see. And then we're going to go in with doing baby braids. These are super, super simple. And now we are going to just go in and repeat the same thing on the other side. And this is the finished look. I love this look so much. It's so sleek and simple, but it adds so much to your overall look. And it only takes like 3 minutes. Okay, now for this next hairstyle, you are going to want to part your hair all the way down the middle and section it off as if you're getting them ready for pigtails. Okay, once you get your hair up to where your pigtail would go, you are going to twirl the hair over and over until you are able to start wrapping it. It kind of naturally happens. Your hair will start to cool in. So that is how I'm able to create space buns. I I will say, if this is your first time doing space buns, don't worry. The first time is always really difficult. I mean, I do space buns all the time, and I had to redo this look because I had messed up. So don't worry, just keep practicing at it, and it'll get easier. Okay, now for this next hairstyle, you are going to want to put your hair into pigtails, just like I have here. And you could totally leave your hair just like this. I think this is so cute. But we are going to add one more step here. So I have another elastic band, and we are going to start by just braiding the pigtail. It's that simple, but it's really cute. Okay, and once you repeat it on the other side, this is what it will look like. I think this is so cute. And if you're wanting to go for more of a messier look, you can do what I'm doing here. I'm just pulling apart the braid, and this will just make your braid bigger and appear thicker. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you're all done. I love this look so much. I'm seriously gonna wear this all the time. I just think it's so cute. And now for our final hairstyle, we are doing the famous bubble braid. Okay, you're going to start by putting your hair up into a ponytail. You can do whatever length you'd like. I just personally am going to do more of a mid-length. Okay, and once you find the perfect placement, you're going to go ahead and secure the ponytail. Okay, literally all you're going to need are these clear, tiny elastics, and you're just going to place them about every 2 inches apart. It is that simple. As you can see, I messed up there a little bit, but this look is just so cute and easy that it's okay if you mess up. And guys, that is seriously it. It's that simple. And I like to leave my little money pieces hanging out in the front. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, you should totally hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below if you are doing school online or if you were going back in person for school. I'm really interested to know. Okay, you guys, that is all for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!